flew away. When I saw how she had changed, I should have known that she would never stay. We were close, but then she grew large and she grew blue. I should have known I was only being used. Got the large blue butterfly blues. Well, she was just a hungry caterpillar, I was a hungry ant. I met her one evening neath the leaves of a wild thyme plant. And then the wild times ensued, things got pretty rude. Every time I tickled her, she got some sweet honeydew. And I knew before ever true to my butterfly blue. Yes, this is butterfly porn. We picked her up, we took her home to the colony's nest, where we tickled her for days, cause the fluid she secretes, it tastes the best. Then it started going wrong, her sweetness was all gone. She hibernated, then she waked and ate our babies and our spawn. And I just kept hanging on for the butterfly blue.